Is your HP Deskjet 3772 not printing? Yeah, that's really annoying. But most of the time, it's actually fixable and not a big deal. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 quick methods to get your HP printer printing again. If you need help, call the numbers on your screen, otherwise let's fix this.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Setting printer as default. Click on your Windows Start button at the bottom left of your screen. Type printers and scanners in the search box and open it. Scroll down and find Let Windows manage my default printer, and if it's turned on, turn the toggle off. Scroll back up and find your HP Deskjet 3772 in the list and click on it. Click on More Devices and Printer Settings below the printers list. Right-click on the HP printer and select Set as Default Printer from the menu that pops up. If setting as default didn't work, let's try giving your printer a complete power reset to clear out any issues. Method 2. Resetting printer manually. Make sure your printer is still on. Then walk to the back and unplug the power cord from the printer. Now, unplug the other end from the wall outlet and wait for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, plug the cord back into the wall outlet, then plug it into the printer. Your printer will restart automatically. If your printer is still not printing after the reset, there might be old print jobs stuck in the queue, blocking everything. Method 3. Cancelling pending print jobs. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen in the taskbar. Click on the arrow that says Show Hidden Icons. Find the printer icon and double-click on it to open the Print Queues window. You'll see your HP printer in the list. Click on it to select it. If you see any print jobs waiting there, click on the 3-dot menu and select Cancel All to remove them all at once.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.